If you need to add page numbers to your spreadsheet, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you how you can add page numbers to appear when you print your Excel spreadsheets. So to get started, if you want to insert page numbers on every page of your spreadsheet, the fastest way to do this is by going to the View tab and then selecting Page Layout. After that, scroll down and select the footer where you want to insert the page numbers. You'll notice you have 3 boxes to insert the page number, which means it can be on the left, centered, or on the right. I usually like to put it on the right side of the page, but it's up to you. Just click on the box where you want to insert the page number. As soon as you click on any of the boxes, the header and footer tab will appear. Depending on your version of Excel, this tab might be named Design. Once you are in this tab, select the page number option. You'll see that this will insert a code "End Page" into the box you selected. If your goal was just to insert page numbers, now all you have to do is click anywhere on your spreadsheet and you'll see that Excel has automatically inserted the page number on each page. However, you might also want to show the total number of pages. If that's the case, simply go back to the footer on the first page where it says End Page, click at the end, press the spacebar, type a word "off", add another space, and then in the header and footer tab, select the number of pages option. Now, just click on any cell in your spreadsheet to see the result. You'll notice that Excel now shows the current page number and the total number of pages. To exit this view, just go to the View tab and then click on Normal. Remember that the page numbers will only appear when you print the spreadsheet or when you preview the print layout. Okay? I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to get more Excel tips like this one. See you next time.